This instructional video will show how to add paper to the Kyocera M2635 printer. Pull the cassette tray out of the machine. The cassette tray, sometimes referred to as Cassette 1, is the tray at the bottom of the printer. The cassette is set for letter-size paper at the factory. If you're using legal, folio, or officio 2 paper, resize the cassette by pushing this lever forward to extend the cassette. Remove the paper from its packaging. Fan the paper to separate the sheets. Tap the paper stack on a flat surface to square up the pages. Load the paper by sliding the end of the paper stack toward the rear of the cassette. Ensure that the paper is resting below these guides. Gently slide the tray all the way into the printer. This printer can print onto a large variety of paper types, for example, plain and pre-printed paper. A full list of supported paper types and sizes can be found in the M2635dw Operation Guide. To ensure that you get the highest quality of printing, it is important that the printer is configured for the type of paper you are using. The machine is set at the factory for standard plain paper. If you intend to use a different type of paper, you must set the paper type and/or size in the Paper Settings menu. On the control panel, select System Menu Counter key. From the control panel navigation keys, scroll to Common Settings. Select OK. Scroll down to Original Paper Set. Select OK. And then scroll down to Cassette 1 size. Select OK. Scroll down to the paper size you intend to use in the cassette, named Cassette 1. The default paper setting is US letter, indicated by the asterisk to the left of the description. To change the paper size, scroll down to the paper size you wish to use. In our example, we'll select Legal. Press OK. The machine should respond with Completed. Next, scroll down to Cassette 1, Type, and press OK. Scroll through the selections to find the desired paper type. The default is plain, which is normal copier printer paper. If you're using something else, select it from the list. Paper types are always printed on the paper box or protective paper wrapping. In our example, we will select Rough from the list. Press OK. Press Exit to exit the settings display. The machine will return to a ready state. You have now set paper size and type for the cassette tray for the M2635dw printer. Each time you open either tray, the cassette or the MP tray, you will be asked if you wish to change the paper type. This is normal. If you're simply replacing the same paper type, press OK to continue. If you're using a different paper type, press Change and follow the instructions. Failing to select the appropriate paper size or type can result in paper jams. You have now configured your M2635dw printer for paper size and type in a cassette tray. The next video, M2635dw altitude adjustment, covers how to properly set up your machine in high altitude environments. Otherwise, continue with printer driver installation for Mac computers or printer driver installation for Windows computers.